Hey YouTube, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to restore old hazy headlights. So before I recorded the video, I did a test on one of the headlights to make sure that it would work, and here's a comparison. The items I'm going to use today are a Flitz multi-purpose metal polish, Mother's metal polish just for comparison, a cup of shop towels, and a general purpose application pad. I'll post a link to these items in the description below. I'll start out by taping the headlights so I can compare the different areas. I'll use Flitz polish on top. At the bottom, I'll use Mother's polish. I am applying a layer of polish directly onto the headlight itself. Then I'll use an application pad to polish it using medium pressure. Once I'm okay with the result, I'll wipe everything down with a shop towel. Looks like I'm going to do a second pass with Flitz to make sure it looks good. For the bottom area, I'll do the same but with Mother's polish. Here's the result in comparison. I think Mother's polish does a good job with just one pass, but both look identical as far as final result. Alright, I'm gonna finish the rest of the headlight now. This time I'm going to cheat a little bit and use this buffing pad with a drill adapter that I got from Amazon. And the link to this will be in the description. Here's the final result. I hope you find it useful, and thanks for watching.